how to share a story on Instagram from someone else's story. And that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick video because it's super easy to do. I'm going to show you guys two methods, and the very first one is if you actually got tagged in a story. So over here it says Helpful Online 1 has mentioned you in their story. So I'm going to click on there, and now I can view the story. And here I can click on add this to your story, or I can click here on add to your story. So then I can simply put this on my story. And the reason why I can easily do this is because I have been tagged in this story by that account. Well, this is my alt account, so I just did that real quick for the sake of this tutorial. But let's say you want to repost a story where you are not tagged in, then it's super easy to do. So over here, in this story I got tagged, but in this one I didn't. So what I can simply do is remember the username, so it's Helpful Online 1. Then go to your browser and search for storysaver.net. And then over here, fill in the username. Click on download. Do the capture real quick. And then this will show up and it says there's two stories. The second one that I want to repost, and then the other one I got tagged in. So I want to click over here on this one on save as photo, then click on view, and here I want to hold onto the photo and simply click on save to photos. Now this photo will be saved to my gallery or your photos app. Then I can simply go back, go all the way back, go to my story, add something to my story, and here is that photo. So what I then like to do is, for example, do something like this, and then simply add the user somewhere like right here at the bottom or something, simply to like let people know where I got the story from, to like give credit. I mean, let's say if it's a friend, then who cares really? But if it's like a famous person or whatever, you might just have to give credit because, you know, that's fair, right? So then you can simply add this to your story, and that's how you can easily repost a story with these two methods. I hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.